we're having a nice spooky season today. And went to the store. I made some, I'm starting on some chicken and dumplings. I use the biscuits, and when I get closer, or when the biscuits didn't get done cooking, let me show you. I already threw in the biscuits, and so I let those kind of cook before I even add the chicken, because when the chicken sits in there for too long, I feel like it gets dry. And so if I want fresh peeled chicken, then that's what I put it in. But I put in this, the butter tasting biscuits in there. But I wanted to try this Reese's cup. It's the caramel one, or the big caramel cup. And I think I'm just gonna eat half of it, because that is huge. Like, that's pretty big. Yeah, that's pretty big for one bite. So I'm just gonna cut it in half and eat it and try it with my cute little knife. Honestly, I have like 2 camera angles going on right now for 2 different social medias. Okay, so we're gonna cut it in half. It's 24 carbs for both, or for the whole thing, but I'm just only gonna eat half, so it's like 12. But, ooh, hold on, let me show y'all this side shot. That's what she looks like, cut in half. Ooh, I feel like there's a nice layer of caramel. I feel like there's a good, decently sized layer of caramel. So, let's try it. That is so good. There's a perfect amount of like peanut butter to caramel to chocolate ratio. For me, at least. I like more peanut butter than anything. It just melts in your mouth. I don't know what else to say except like that was so good. That was so good. Okay, so I got about really an hour before this all gets cooked. So I'm gonna wake up little dude, feed him some lunch, which I'm probably gonna give him some of this rotisserie chicken, because we don't need all of it for the chicken and dumplings. But wake him up from his nap, do the rotisserie chicken, and I got some laundry I need to do. So yeah, and I want to paint our windows. Y'all will see. Y'all will see. And plus I need to paint them before it gets too dark outside, or else I won't really be able to see. When it's daylight, it's easy to see what it looks like and see if like it's opaque enough. So at night, I don't know, we need to see, we need to hurry, and I keep rambling. So I'm gonna put the rest of this to the side and eat it later and get everything else done. And I'm also watching The Nun. I don't know if I said that.
But I want a little bite of it.
Well, you want a bite of this one?
Uh-huh.
I did wash my hands. I honestly do not know where I'm left off at on vlogs, but I've been editing a whole bunch of vlogs. It is October 2nd right now, so yeah. I don't even know when the last time I filmed was. Like, I just knew that I was like, I need to stop filming so I can edit some videos and keep filming, but I also don't want to like not film anything for the month of October, because I'm pretty sure the rest of October I'm going to be editing and uploading a whole bunch of videos. But I'm probably going to start doing more like day-to-day vlogs. I don't want to say daily vlogs, but day-to-day, because there's a lot going on. It's about to get busier, or maybe even not. I applied for another job today. Oh, I don't even think, did I even update y'all on the last job? I'm also trying to talk fast because the battery's about to die on this one, and I don't know where my other batteries are. So, but I just wanted to do a quick little update. So today is the morning of my interview. I have like 2 hours or 3 hours before I have to actually go. I'm not feeling good. Last night, I don't know if it's nerves or what, or if I'm sick again. We went to the gym yesterday, and I hope there's not another stomach flu going around. But also I kind of wish I would have, so I don't feel like this the rest of the day. But I don't feel like I'm about to puke or anything right now. I just feel really hungry. So I'm checking my blood sugars. It's at 93. It probably was really high. Ugh. But I'm gonna wake up the kids, eat breakfast, and get ready for my interview. And then after my interview, I'll let y'all know how I think it went. I have a notebook that I'm taking with some notes already taken in it for any questions I have for them, because it's a panel. And it's not just one person I'm talking to. It's like an interview panel. So I'm talking to 3 different people, getting asked questions left and right. And I'm prepared. And I am mentally prepared. I've been reading my notes back and forth, side to side, like on what to say or what to remember to say through an interview. Like if I think about something for too long, say, let me elaborate on that for a second, or can you rephrase that in your own words, stuff like that. So I'm hoping that everything will be just fine, and that I answer fast and clearly and not sit there and go So I think I'm overthinking it, and I need to stop. I need to just relax for the rest of the day, not think about it for the rest of the day, and just be a-okay. So I think the nerves are just getting to me. And I think that's why I'm not feeling too well or too hot, because I think it's just me being so nervous for it. I really want this job, and even though I don't have to have this specific job, like whatever happens, happens, because there's more jobs like this, and I need to remember that. It's just, this is the first step to get my foot in some type of door. I wrote down in my notes to ask them if they could call me back for any critiques of why I didn't get the job if I didn't, and if I could use them as a reference number for the next job, because even though I'm not hired there, they can still tell them like, well, this person was good for our job, but blah blah blah, or we enjoyed this person, we just didn't have a spot for them, or they were, they could always talk like that. So if I don't get this job, I'm gonna go to a temp agency and go through that. It's just those are not guaranteed a job. And yeah, so I don't know. I just need to calm down. I need to breathe, drink some water. I don't think I'm even going to do coffee this morning because I feel awake and alive and everything. My stomach is bothering me, and I think I just need to take it easy, calm down and relax. I'm thinking about taking a nausea med if this doesn't like slow down, but I'm afraid if I take the nausea med, it's gonna make me even more nauseous because that's happened before. So I don't know. But I'm gonna breathe the rest of the day until my interview, and then after my interview I'll come back and tell y'all how I think it went. So yeah, wish me luck. But I did not get hired at the last job. The interview went well and everything, but they just decided to go with other people, and I am just kind of bummed about it. It is what it is at this point. I'm not stressing over it, but one of our friends that was a part of the panel, he was like, no, I called HR over it because that's BS. Because he knows me, he knows my work ethic, and he knows my husband, and he feels like there was some form of bias into the thing, which I don't know, but it is what it is. Again, I am going to I'm going to keep trying for this same company, but in the meantime there's another company that's hiring, and they're doing like $20 an hour for full time. And I know it's like also a tip based job. I don't know if they do the tips in the town that I worked in, but when I worked in another location of theirs, they went by tips. So there's a possibility of also getting tips. This channel, I don't know. There's a lot of new people in this channel. I think I have like 300 more people this year than I did last year. Like last year I had like 200 new followers. This year it's like getting up to 300 new followers. So like thank y'all for following, one. And two, if y'all are like wondering what this channel is, it's me just trying to do life, I guess. I try to make this into a crafting tutorial channel, but y'all seem to just like my day-to-day stuff in general, my lifestyle vlog type stuff. Sometimes I'll throw a tutorial in there, but I can't do tutorials all the time because I just wouldn't be posting a whole lot, and I want to post a lot. I know it's like quality versus quantity, but also I just want to post. And YouTube just informed me that every video, instead of just having different channels, they said just to post different videos on one channel, because think of every video as being in its own algorithm. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I might just post a whole bunch of stuff. I might just post something different every single day, and just, you know, maybe do like, I always say a bonus video on Wednesday, but what I think I'm going to try and do is I'm just going to post as often as possible, because I have so many ideas, so many things I want to get out there, so many things I want to share with y'all, and I'm doing stuff all the time. I honestly can't keep up with it. So what I've been doing is just filming everything, putting them in folders and organizing them. And if I have a video concept, I have a video concept. If I don't have a video concept, I just wait until I can make it a video concept, if that makes any sense. So that's what I've been doing. And each video, it might kind of like bleed into another video. You never know. So yeah, I might vlog a video, but in that vlog you might see what the next tutorial might be. So that would be kind of cool. Have little Easter eggs within each vlog. You know, what is that? Everything you see in my video means something. I don't know. I'm not trying to be like Taylor Swift, that's for sure. But yeah. But let me go get my battery. I'm at 6% on this one, and I am doing a whole bunch of like bracelets while I wait for videos to upload. A video just uploaded, but I just wanted to do this quick like little what I'm doing right now update. And yeah, I hope y'all like the quality of these videos. I'm really loving this camera. It sucks to edit on it. I need to bring down the video quality because I've been filming at 60 frames per second on 4K, and I need to, even though it's really good quality, I really need to like dumb down the quality because it's really hard to edit a bunch of these videos when you're using really high quality. So yeah, but let me go get a battery and I'll time lapse me making my bracelets for my Mimi.
Either. Imagine that. I don't know if I can consume Mission Burrito right now. That is like what. 3,
But also, he admitted that he's a terrible nurse. He's a lot of things. A sweet partner, a good partner, a loyal partner. So, anyway, I have my coffee, right? So the way...